Want to unlock the secret to premium rents in Perth? Imagine your property managed like a luxury hotel, everything flawless, every detail perfect. Meet Smart Realty, where executive leases aren't just rentals, they're lifestyle upgrades. We don't outsource. Our expert team handles everything in-house from appraisals to 24/7 maintenance. Think prime locations, high-end furnishings, and total privacy. But here's the twist. Our licensee Mahi Masud personally oversees each property, like a master craftsman shaping a masterpiece. Over 19 years, 1,200 plus properties, 550 plus homes sold, experience you can't ignore. And forget hidden fees. Our all-inclusive management means no surprises, just peace of mind. Want premium tenants who treat your property like gold? Ready to boost your rental yield effortlessly? Smart Realty is your answer. Who's ready to make the smart move? Call us today and transform your property game.